Ever wondered why you have to switch your phone to airplane mode on a flight? It's not because your phone's signal could bring down the plane. That's a myth. The real reason is much more about preventing annoying interference. Think about it this way. Your phone is constantly sending out signals to connect to cell towers. When you're flying at hundreds of miles per hour, your phone desperately tries to connect to every tower it passes over. This rapid switching creates a lot of radio noise. Now, imagine that noise getting picked up by the pilot's headsets. It would sound like a really loud, distracting buzz. Dit, 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 dit. While it doesn't jam their navigation systems, it could make it hard for them to hear crucial instructions from air traffic control. So, airplane mode is really just a courtesy. It keeps the cockpit quiet and ensures pilots can communicate clearly, making your flight safer for everyone. Next time you fly, you'll know exactly why. Thanks for watching.